paid the division within the IEBC, the concerns and the matters raised has dented the credibility of the process and, of course, the outcome. It is important and urgent that these issues be investigated thoroughly, further through an independent and transparent audit. Public officials must be subjected to greater scrutiny as they hold office in trust and on behalf of the citizens.
We are saddened by the unnecessary deaths of people in the country during the electoral period. And among them, there is the Embakasi East returning officer, Daniel Musyoki, was abducted while on official duty and later found dead in Loitoktok. Secondly, there is Brian Olunga, an aide of an aspirant who was shot dead at point-blank range by eventual electoral victor Didmas Barasa. Thirdly, there is Eunice Nyambane, who was attacked and killed on Juja Road by rowdy crowds who attacked her family's car. Her child and husband are currently in hospital as a result. Two other individuals, including Edel Queen Akinyi, fell over a police land cruiser in Kondele in Kisumu. One of them is in critical condition at the Jaramogi Oginga Odinga Teaching and Referral Hospital. And then there is Mohamed Kanyare, a young presiding officer in Elders constituency in Wajir County, who was shot after refusing to alter an election results form in favor of a particular candidate. He has since lost his leg to amputation after being shot. We are also investigating further that other two people were shot in the melee. These are just the cases of those that have been highlighted by the media. There could be more. We demand that the police and relevant authorities thoroughly investigate, prosecute, and adjudicate these crimes. We also remind Kenyans that the family of the IEBC ICT director, Chris Musando, has yet to receive justice for his murder in 2017.